Okay. The subtraction, okay, it works the same. So, with the exception of you need to probably change some negatives first. Okay, so you can look through here. Anywhere you see two negatives that are sitting right next to each other, you can change that into a what? Addition. So you could go through your whole paper right now and turn some to addition first if you want to, so you remember. But, so 3 minus 1 is definitely 2. Okay, but as I'm looking through the paper, see how these two are right next to each other? Okay, that means that this is really a plus. Okay, so before you put it on a calculator, just go ahead and change everything manually. And then, so negative 3 minus 5 minus 8. What are you going to get? Negative 10. Good. Okay, 19. 2 minus 4 plus 8 minus 7. What do you guys get? Huh? Negative 1. Okay, 21. Is this first one a mixed fraction or an improper? It's a mixed. Okay, so we're going to say multiply the bottom two numbers. So 1 times 6 plus 1. So it's going to be 7 over 6. Okay, and then see how you got this minus minus? Okay, we can make that into a plus. Okay, and then this one is also a mix. So 1 times 4 plus 3. What are you going to get? 7, and you keep the bottom, which is 4. Okay, now you can add those two on the decimals app. It's on the App Store. Yeah. DESMOS. Yep. Okay, what'd you get? 7 over 6 plus 7 over 4?
35
over 12? Cool. Okay, negative. First, go through, change any signs you can. So right here should be a plus, and right here should be a plus. Okay, is the first one an improper fraction or a mixed? Improper. Okay, my bigger number is on top. My number on top is bigger than the one on the bottom. So you got negative 8 over 5. Okay, what about the second one? Is it improper or mixed? It's mixed, okay? So 3 times 7 plus 2. What are you going to get? 23. So you got plus 23, and we keep our bottom number the same, which is 7. The third one, is that improper or mixed? It's mixed, okay? So 2 times 3 plus 2. 8 over what? 3. Perfect. Okay, add all those on your calculator and see what you get. Anybody? What you got? Or is nobody typing?
457 over 105.
I'm not doubting you, but can somebody double check that?
Oh, yeah.
It's right? Okay, cool. Sorry, but it just seemed like, you know how numbers just don't feel right, you know? Okay, 25, and then it moves into the decimals, okay? Is there any signs for us to change? No, so just type in negative 0.94 plus or minus 5.1. What are you going to get? Like that? Okay. Okay, 27. Is there anything for us to change?
Yeah.
Yeah, how many?
2.
2 of them. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, now it looks like negative 6.9 plus 2.5 plus 7.2. Good. Somebody agree? All right. Well, let's guess you're right. I don't know. 29. Is there anything for us to change? Yeah? Okay, we got this one and this one. Okay, add all those up. See what you get. What you got?
27 might be wrong.
27?
Yeah.
No decimals?
I think it's supposed to be 4.6.
You say 4.6?
I got
427.
This one?
27's wrong.
that's wrong.
Because like the first number, it's negative.
Okay.
I got 2.8.
2.8. So all of you clear out your calculator and try it again. I will say it should be positive. I know that.
It's 2.8. I got 2.8. I got out the original equation.
Yeah, it's 2.8.
2.8. Okay.
I used to.
And then the bottom one. This is not what you were talking about. 27. Somebody else get 27?
I have 3.7.
3.7. Who else?
3.7.
You get 3.7. Okay. Good. Okay, my advice. Although these calculators are the most used, right? You guys all know what I'm talking about? Where's this calculator from? It's your plain Jane phone calculator, right? Doing negatives on these are not the best advised because there's a difference on these calculators between a minus sign and a negative sign. Okay, and then when you start adding and subtracting with negatives on there, you hit one wrong button and you can't see what else you typed in. Okay, so with the Decimals app, you can see everything you typed in and you can see your answer. Okay, so some days these calculators are really good for multiplication, division, whatever. Not for all these negatives and these little digits, okay? I'm not saying don't use them, but don't use them, okay? For those of you guys at home, hit me up if you need some help. Stay on top of your stuff if you need help with the other classes, and hopefully I see you soon.